Hello, good evening, my pretty, lovely, and super gorgeous ladies. How are you doing, all? Hope you all are doing fine and healthy. I'm at Brand Mandir store to showcase beautiful, pure Banarasi Katan silk sarees. Let's start with the mannequins. Now back to our collection. The saree which I am wearing is very pretty, orange and pink, dual toned saree. Kalanita saree. ఒకలాంటి ఆరెంజ్ మస్టర్డ్ అలా పింక్ షేడ్స్ వస్తున్నాయండి. స్ట్రైప్స్ వచ్చాయి, ట్రయాంగిల్స్ అండ్ లీవ్ స్ట్రైప్స్ వచ్చాయి. బ్యూటిఫుల్ బార్డర్, ఫ్లోరల్ వైన్స్, పాస్లీస్ అండ్ ఫ్లోరల్స్, highlighted with Meena, zigzag kaddi border, and the beautiful pallu. This is the pallu actually, and this is the blouse. Stripes vachai, self color with border. Saree pricing and details. Before seeing pricing and details, do follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook, that is Brand Mandir page. Do subscribe our channel Brand Mandir in YouTube and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection, you will be getting notification. Next saree. Beautiful red color, red and green, pure Banarasi Katan silk saree, all over kaddi floral buttas, beautiful satin border, satin silk border, green and navy blue shade. On that we got a beautiful zari floral vines, golden zari floral vines, and this is the pallu, complete jal with big floral booties, contrast pallu along with the borders. Yeah, blouse contrast, plain with border. And this is the combination. Saree pricing and details. It's 7,440. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ259. To visit our store, it's in road number 56, Jubilees, near Pedama Temple, and one more store is at road number 10, Banjara Hills, Depotar in Hyderabad. Next saree. Very pretty mint green and pink combination. All over floral buttas, two types of floral buttas vachai. Very pretty border, contrast pink satin silk border with zigzag florals. Pallu, contrast with zigzag kaddi in the middle with florals. Blouse, contrast plain with border. Beautiful combination. Saree pricing and details. It's 8,160. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ211. Send us on 733 733 7000. Log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com, for everyday exciting deals. Next saree. navy blue and maroonish reddish maroon color. Beautiful navy blue and maroonish red all over, peacocks in rounds. Border contrast with elephants cross kadi. Pallu zigzag brocade along with elephant border. Blouse contrast plain with border. It's 19,680. Take a screenshot along with the code AG537. Yeah. Next beautiful sari. Wow. Very lovely white and red. Swati garu అడిగారు కదండి, వైట్ అండ్ రెడ్ కాంబినేషన్. ఇది వేసుకుంటే బెంగాలీ బ్రైడ్ లాగా ఉంటారు మీరు. ఆల్ ఓవర్ పాస్లే బుట్టాస్ వచ్చాయి. లవ్లీ కాంట్రాస్ట్ బార్డర్ విత్ క్రాస్ కడ్డీ పాస్లేస్ and florals. Very pretty. And this is the pallu. Cross checks, contrast and cross checks with diamonds and florals along with the paisleys. And the blouse, super gorgeous red color blouse, plain with border. The white color kabatti we need to handle with care. 8,480 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code AE102. But white looks amazing and both combination is very lovely. Hope you liked it, Swati garu. Take a screenshot and send us on 733-733-7000. And thanks for supporting Brand Mandir. Thanks for loving us and lots of love in return. Thank you. Next saree. Beautiful peacock blue. Very pretty peacock blue with red combination. All over small and medium sized floral buttas. Border, florals and cross kadi. Contrast border, satin silk border. And this is the pallu, cross checks with diamonds and beautiful floral border. Blouse contrast, plain with border. Saree pricing and details. 8,560 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ248. Very pretty. And live sarees to patu live weavers prices e kakunda ma website kuda visit avandi www.brandmandir.com for daily exciting offers. Thank you so much. Next saree. Bottle green and pink. Lovely floral buttas. Border contrast. Pink color, very bright pink with florals. And this is the pallu, contrast with floral jar. Blouse, contrast plain with border. Beautiful combination, lovely combination. And saree pricing and details. It's 8,560. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ210. Next saree, chusedda. Lovely purple. Beautiful magenta purple shade. And all over floral buttas. And lovely border, cross curvy vines, florals, floral vines, pallu, half curves with florals, blouse, itself, plain with border. Saree pricing, and you can go for this color, edge contrast. ఇది బ్రైట్ పింక్ కలర్ అండి. ఈ మెజెంటా పింక్ అనేది చాలా బ్రైట్గా ఉంటుంది. యూ కెన్ గో ఫర్ కస్టమైజ్ బ్లౌజెస్ too, and for customized blouses contact our brand, R for Rupamani, another brand from our brand Mandar, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing, just ping us on 733 733 7000. And the saree pricing and details, it's 10,480. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ250. Next beautiful saree, gorgeous saree vachestundi. Yeah. A lovely blue and purple Banarasi silk saree, all over florals. Yeah, ఇది ఫ్లోరల్ హెడ్ బ్యాండ్ లాగా ఉందండి. బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉన్నాయి, క్యూట్గా ఉన్నాయి బుట్టీస్ అన్నీ. చాలా ప్రెటీగా ఉంది, అక్కడక్కడ హైలైటెడ్ విత్ మీనా. And this is the gorgeous contrast border with floral vines, triangular design, contrast border. Pallu, same as borders, like leaves in florals, zigzag design, triangular design. Wow, superb ga undandi blouse, very pretty. Contrast blouse with stripes and border. Too lovely ga untundi, asalu team up cheste. Isn't it pretty? And to grab this beautiful and lovely saree, take a screenshot along with the code AF489. 22,720 is the price. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Dear ladies, do you know how to follow us in Instagram and Facebook? If not, just have a quick look. I'll be coming in a while.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts, and all notifications for videos and live videos.
So ఇందాక నేను చూపించాను కదా బ్లూ కలర్ సారీ. లెట్స్ హ్యావ్ ఎ క్విక్ లుక్. Now back to our collection. Next saree, beautiful red and green, pink touch kuda undi ala koncham, and beautiful floral buttas all over body. Border is contrast green color with floral jal, cross kaddi, and we got a pink edge contrast. It's a pure satin silk border. Pallu anta contrast and zigzag brocade and floral jal borders. Wow, blouse beautiful ga vachindi, contrast with buttas and border. Saree pricing and details, it's 8,720. Take a screenshot along with the code, AJ249. Next saree, lovely color, beautiful green with pink combination, all over badam shape of floral buttas vachai. Very pretty border with floral vines and beautiful badam shape buttas. Contrast border, contrast pallu with cross checks and diamonds along with the Beautiful big drop shaped floral buttas along with the border, cross cutty borders, contrast pallu, and the blouse is beautiful contrast blouse plain with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 8,720. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ264. Next sari. Yeah. It's a royal blue with pink combination. All over floral buttas. Contrast border pink color with floral jal, and ikkada manaki royal blue lo vachindandi another border, and here peacock green border leaves tho different ga vachindi, chaala pretty ga undi. Pallu anta floral jal contrast pallu, blouse contrast bright pink with border. Saree pricing and details. It's 8,480. Take a screenshot along with the code. Send us on 733 733 7000. L141 is the code. Saree overall look ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. Next saree. Yeah, it's a magenta pink shade. Beautiful floral buttas with red combination, maroonish red combination. And border anta contrast with floral vines and floral buttas. Pallu contrast with floral vines, border and florals in the middle. Blouse contrast plain with border. Saree pricing and details. It's 8,480. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ206. ఇందాక చూపించాను కదా రాయల్ బ్లూ అండ్ పింక్, చాలా ప్రిటీగా ఉంది. లెట్స్ హ్యావ్ ఎ క్విక్ లుక్. Next saree. Wow. Black and red combination. Black and red combination. Beautiful floral buttas all over body. Contrast border, reddish maroon. Floral jal. Cross checks with florals. Beautiful magenta pink edge contrast. This is the pallu contrast with zigzag brocade in the middle and floral jal borders. Blouse contrast with buttas and border. Saree pricing and details. It's 9,520. Take a screenshot along with the code EN212. Next saree, and we ship globally. Within Hyderabad, we are providing cash and delivery option. Beautiful red color with black combination. ఇందాక మనం black and red చూసాం కదా, ఇప్పుడు red and black. All over floral buttas. Beautiful contrast. Very pretty florals. Diamonds. Temples. Zigzag addi. And this is the pallu. Cross checks with florals and diamonds. Beautiful super gorgeous blouse with paisley buttas. Contrast blouse. Adripoyindandi saree. Saree pricing and details. It's 8,480. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ260. Send us on 733 733 7000. Do visit our store. It's in road number 56, Jubilee Hills near Peddamma Temple. And one more store is at road number 10, Banjara Hills. They both are in Hyderabad. and we ship globally within Hyderabad. We are providing cash and delivery option. Log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com, for daily exciting offers. Next saree, bottle green and maroonish red, very pretty combination, and florals vachai, floral buttas vachai, small and medium size. And this is the border, florals, vines and cross kaddi, contrast border, contrast pallu with florals, browns and vines. Beautiful blouse. It's a contrast blouse. Super soft and the fabric matching. Contrast plain with border. Saree pricing and details. It's 8,560. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ204. Next saree, pink color, very pretty pink, floral buttas all over body, border, cross curvy waves with florals and floral vines border, pallu, half curves with florals, blouse, self plain with border. Saree pricing and details. It's 10,480. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ226. Keep on supporting Brand Mandir, keep on following us, and I'll be bringing beautiful collections to all of you. Follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook, that is Brand Mandir page. To subscribe our channel Brand Mandir in YouTube and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection, you will be getting notified. Very beautiful peacock green and blue dual toned saree. All over, very pretty, leaves and floral buttas. Border, contrast magenta pink border with zigzag kaddi and floral vines. Pallu, contrast magenta pink, cross checks with diamonds, zigzag border and floral vines borders. Blouse, contrast plain with border. Saree pricing and details. It's 10,000. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ261. And indaka nenu chuinchanu kada pink color saree, let's have a quick look. Now back to our collection. Wow, beautiful shade, very pretty dark magenta with a stunning red color, all over drop shape floral buttas, and beautiful contrast border, reddish maroon, cross kaddi, temples, floral vines and cross checks with diamonds. Pallu, contrast pallu with floral vines, cross kaddi, leaf and vines, temples. Blouse, contrast plain with border. Saree pricing and details. It's 8,000. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ209. Next, one more super pretty color vachestundandi. Wow, beautiful sea green with magenta combination. Floral buttas vachai, very small and medium size. Contrast border with floral vines, cross checks and diamonds, florals. Pallu contrast, with floral jalan, cross checks with floral buttas. Blouse contrast magenta pink, plain with border. It's 8,480. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ258. Next saree. Peach color, peach and magenta. Floral buttas, small and medium size. Beautiful contrast magenta pink border with floral vines, cross checks with diamonds and chinna florals vachayi. Pallu contrast with checks, diamonds and florals along with the floral vines and cross cutty with diamonds. Blouse contrast plain with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 8,480. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ379. Next saree, very dark green with pink color, magenta pink, very pretty floral booties, highlighted with meena, contrast border with cross cutty, floral vines, parsleys and temples. Pallu, gorgeous pallu with curvy cross checks with leaf buttas along with the floral vines and temples, contrast pallu. Blouse is contrast plain with border. Sari pricing and details. 8,560. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ257. Next sari. Lovely purple and red stripes, triangular stripes and very beautiful stripes. And this is the antique zari border, contrast red color with half curves, cross cutty. Pallu, cross checks with florals and half curve border, contrast pallu, contrast blouse, plain with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 8,560. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ205. Next sari, wow, Paithani style. Beautiful navy blue with maroon color combination. All over lovely peacocks. Paithani style border, kaddi with temples, munias and floral vines along with the parrots and peacocks. Beautiful pallu contrast with flower vases, stems with peacocks, parrots, munias along with the floral vines, temples. Blouse contrast with buttas, round buttas vachayi. It's 11,600. Take a screenshot along with the code AB278. Next sari. Green and red. కొంచెం పైథనీ స్టైల్లో ఉందండి. బెనారసి డాటెడ్ బుట్టాస్ వచ్చాయి. బ్యూటిఫుల్ పైథనీ బార్డర్ విత్ ఫ్లోరల్స్ అండ్ మునియాస్, టెంపుల్స్, కాంట్రాస్ట్ రెడ్ కలర్ బార్డర్. పల్లు కూడా రెడ్ కలర్ విత్ రిచ్ కడ్డీ, ఫ్లవర్ వేసెస్ విత్ ఫ్లోరల్స్ అండ్ మునియాస్. బ్లౌజ్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ విత్ బుట్టాస్ అండ్ బార్డర్. చాలా రిచ్గా వచ్చింది. సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్. 11,600. Take a screenshot along with the code AB283. Saree overall look ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. నెక్స్ట్ సారీ లవ్లీ yellow. ఇది ఆరెంజ్ అండ్ yellow, ఇది డ్యువల్ టోన్ లాగా ఉందండి. Floral buttas all over body, beautiful double borders with green and pink, and we got a purple edge contrast with florals and pasteles. And this is the pallu contrast with stars and diamonds along with the rounds and blocks. Contrast pallu, contrast blouse with buttas and border. Sari pricing and details. It's 8,720. Take a screenshot along with the code N401. So ఇందాక నేను చూపించాను కదా గ్రీన్ కలర్ సారీ. లెట్స్ హావ్ ఎ క్విక్ లుక్. ఐల్ బి కమింగ్ ఇన్ అ వైల్. నెక్స్ట్ సారీ magenta and grey combination, floral buttas all over body, beautiful contrast border, grey color with floral buttas and diamonds. Pallu, contrast antique zari cross check diamonds and meenakari florals. Contrast pallu, grey color, different ga undi kada. Wow, blouse shade ento mudduga undo, contrast grey color. This is for sleeves. Too good kada, very pretty andi, so cute. The blouse is too good. ఇలా స్లీవ్స్కి వచ్చేస్తుంది, చాలా ప్రిటీగా ఉంటుంది. న్యూ డిజైన్. సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ డీటెయిల్స్ వచ్చేసి 9440. AJ 236 is the code. వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్. నాకు బ్లౌజ్ చాలా నచ్చేసింది. సో వరలక్ష్మి వ్రతం వస్తుంది కాబట్టి సారీస్ అన్నీ చాలా రీజనబుల్గా ఉన్నాయండి. ప్యూర్ బెనారసీ సిల్క్ సారీస్ మిస్ అవ్వకుండా గ్రాబ్ చేయండి. లవ్లీ కలెక్షన్స్. అండ్ ఇంకో విషయం ఏంటంటే, డూ యూ నో హౌ టు ఫాలోస్ ఇన్ అవర్ డిజిటల్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్? ఇఫ్ నాట్, వెంటనే హ్యావ్ ఎ క్విక్ లుక్.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts and all notifications for videos and live videos.
Next saree. Yeah, it's a Rama green with maroonish red combination. All over floral buttas, contrast border with floral jal and pink purple edge contrast, magenta pink edge contrast. And this is the pallu contrast with zigzag brocade and floral jal border. Contrast blouse with dotted buttas and border. Saree pricing and details. It's 9520. Take a screenshot along with the code AH415. Next saree. Lovely peach and navy blue. Beautiful drop shape floral buttas. Contrast border with floral vines. Pallu is contrast with floral vines and floral buttas. Blouse contrast plain with border. Saree pricing and details. It's 7840. Take a screenshot along with the code U556. Next saree. It's a sea green with pink combination, magenta pink. Beautiful drop shape florals all over body and lovely contrast border with floral jal and drop shape floral buttas. And this is the pallu contrast with cross checks and diamond shaped floral buttas along with the beautiful big motifs florals. Blouse contrast plain with border. And saree pricing and details. Yeah, you can take a screenshot like this or else, yeah. It's 10,900. The actual price and the offer price kosam just take a screenshot along with the code AJ356 andi. Next saree, purple and red color all over floral buttas, paithani style lo undi. Border ochedi contrast border with cross kadi munias florals geometric style, similar to paithani. And this is the pallu, rich paithani pallu with munias, florals, kadi, and the blouse contrast stripes, dotted buttas and border. It's 11,600. Take a screenshot along with the code AB270. ఇవన్నీ ప్యూర్ బెనారసీ కటాన్ సిల్క్ సారీస్ అండి. ఇవన్నీ పట్టు ఫ్యాబ్రిక్, వెరీ సాఫ్ట్ అండ్ స్మూత్గా ఉంటాయి సారీస్ అన్నీ. నెక్స్ట్ సారీ డిఫరెంట్ green and grey combination, all over floral buttas, beautiful contrast border with lovely floral buttas highlighted with meena. And this is the pallu, diamonds and meenakari florals, contrast pallu. Blouse again contrast plain with beautiful sleeves, very pretty. ఇదంతా మనకి స్లీవ్స్కి వస్తుందండి. బార్డర్ చాలా బాగుంటుంది. సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్. It's 11,800. Take a screenshot along with the code. ఆఫర్ ప్రైస్ కోసం 733 నెంబర్కి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. సమ్ 9,000 చేంజ్ అలా వస్తుంది. ఐ డోంట్ నో క్లియర్ కరెక్ట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ ఫిగర్. సారీ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకున్నారు కదా, నెక్స్ట్ సారీ చూసేద్దాం. బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఆరెంజ్ అండ్ నవీ బ్లూ షేడ్, ఫ్లోరల్ బుటాస్ highlighted with meena and contrast border with rounds, florals, floral vines. Pallu contrast with cross checks, diamonds, floral vines. Blouse contrast plain with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 9,680. It's 9,680 అండి. Take a screenshot along with the code S47. And do follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook, that is Brand Mandir page. To subscribe our channel Brand Mandir in YouTube and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection you will be getting notified. Next saree. Wow, very lovely sea blue, pink and mustard combination. Beautiful floral buttas all over body and highlighted with meena. Lovely mustard border with florals and pink color border, chinna border. This is the pallu, pink color, floral vines in the middle, complete floral jal with floral buttas. Blouse contrast with buttas and border. Sari pricing and details. It's 11,040. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ229. So beautiful. Next saree. Navy blue with grey. Wow. All over floral buttas and lovely contrast grey color border with floral motifs వచ్చాయండి. Highlighted with meena. Diamond buttas వచ్చాయి. అలాగే this is the pallu with diamonds and meenakari florals. Blouse contrast plain with beautiful sleeves. Amazing weaving. Saree pricing and details. 3 colors are too good. 9,440 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ21215. ఈ సారీస్ చాలా బాగున్నాయండి. స్లీవ్స్ చాలా డిఫరెంట్గా వచ్చాయి. నాకైతే చాలా చాలా నచ్చేసాయి. గ్రీన్ అండ్ రెడ్ ఫ్లోరల్ బుటాస్, కాంట్రాస్ట్ బార్డర్, floral buttas with small and medium size with floral vines. Pallu, diamond brocade along with the floral buttas border. Contrast pallu, blouse contrast plain with border. And sari, yeah, 12,100. Take a screenshot along with the code AE92. Next saree. Lovely magenta and pink combination అండి, చాలా ప్రిటీగా ఉంది. జామెట్రిక్ స్టైల్లో మనకి పికాక్ బుట్టాస్ వచ్చాయి ఆల్ ఓవర్ బాడీ. లవ్లీ పైథనీ స్టైల్ బార్డర్ విత్ మునియాస్, టెంపుల్స్, కడ్డీ అండ్ floral vines, peacocks and parrots in geometric style. Pallu complete huge florals వచ్చాయి cross kadi, complete florals, peacocks and parrots with geometric style. And blouse pink color, buttas and border. Saree pricing and details. It's 11,600. Take a screenshot along with the code AB275. Green and grey, floral buttas, ఈ సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ నోట్ డౌన్ చేసుకోండి. కోడ్ అండి, ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఫర్ కోడ్. Next saree, peacock green and blue, dual toned saree with floral buttas, contrast border pink color with blocks and rounds, cross checks with diamonds, contrast pallu, blouse contrast plain with border. Saree pricing and details. It's 8,480. Take a screenshot along with the code ES372. Next saree. Very bright pink, floral buttas and small buttas. Small chinna floral buttas kuda vachayi. And lovely border, self color, floral vines and diamond brocade. And this is the pallu, complete cross checks with diamonds, floral vines border. Blouse vachesi brocade blouse, very rich and royal brocade blouse. Saree pricing and details. 14,160. Take a screenshot along with the code AI125. AI25. It's I and D, AI25, A125 కాదు. Next saree, wow, black and maroon, beautiful floral buttas, lovely contrast border with motifs and floral vines border, contrast border, contrast pallu with floral jal, blouse contrast plain with border. Super pretty on the combination. Saree pricing and details. It's 9440. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ207. So indaka చూయించాను కదా pink color saree. Let's have a quick look. Yeah. Next saree. Magenta with red. Floral buttas all over body. Beautiful border, cross kaddi. Floral vines contrast border. Pallu contrast with huge rich cross kaddi with floral motifs. And this is the blouse contrast plain with border. Saree pricing and details. 10,600. Offer price kosam take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 Next sari. Next beautiful sari. Wow, bright parrot green. Lovely pink border. Pink and mustard combination border. All over floral buttas with gold and silver zari. Florals and rounds. Contrast border, contrast. And this is the pallu, orange color with florals. Blouse, contrast orange color with buttas and border. Sari pricing and details. It's 8,720. Take a screenshot along with the code J243. Very bright color. Next sari. Na sari kuda meeku nachinataithe same sari kosam just take a screenshot along with my picture and send us on 733 Next sari. Lovely peacock blue and green shade, dual toned. ఇందులో గ్రీన్ వస్తుంది, బ్లూ వస్తుందండి, అందుకే పికాక్ గ్రీన్ అండ్ బ్లూ అన్నాను. నెమలి పింఛన్ రంగు. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద బ్యూటిఫుల్ బార్డర్, కాంట్రాస్ట్ పింక్ కలర్. కంప్లీట్గా పాస్లేస్ వచ్చాయి ఆల్ ఓవర్ బాడీ అండ్ బార్డర్లో కూడా పాస్లేస్. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద పల్లు, కంప్లీట్ ఫ్లోరల్ జాల్ విత్ పాస్లే బార్డర్, కాంట్రాస్ట్ పల్లు, బ్లౌజ్ కాంట్రాస్ట్, ప్లెయిన్ విత్ బార్డర్. Sari pricing and details we'll give you in a while. Yeah, it's AJ 360 and 10,600. Offer price kosam take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 Next sari, wine color, wine and red. Beautiful floral buttas with leaves and lovely border, contrast zigzag cutty and floral vines. Pallu is contrast with cross checks and diamonds, floral vines border, contrast pallu and contrast blouse, plain with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 10,000. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ246. And dear ladies, do you know how to follow us on our digital platforms? If not, just have a quick look. I'll be coming in a while.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts and all notifications for videos and live videos.
Yeah, next sari. Green and red. Drop shape florals, medium and small size. Contrast border, cross cutty, floral vines and leaves. Pallu contrast with cross checks and drop shape buttas. Blouse contrast, plain with border. Sari pricing and details. 8,480. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ208. Next sari. Yes, వచ్చేసిందండి yellow color. Yellow and blue. Ango yellow with all over beautiful floral buttas, contrast border, satin silk border with floral vines, and this is the pallu. It's a contrast, cross floral vines and beautiful drop shape big buttas, and this is the blouse contrast, plain with border. Very pretty combination, bright and beautiful. Sari pricing and details. It's 7440. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ212. Next saree. Wow, sea green with pink. Beautiful floral buttas. Contrast border with floral jal. Pallu, zigzag brocade and floral jal border. Blouse contrast with buttas and border. Saree pricing and details. It's 8,720. Next saree. Wow. Magenta color. Magenta with green. Floral buttas all over body. Beautiful dots with stems. Contrast border with heart-shaped buttas. Pallu, complete florals. Contrast pallu. Blouse contrast plain with border. Saree pricing and details. 6,640. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ263. And to visit our website, that is www.brandmandir.com for more exciting offers. Every day untayandi, so miss avvakunda please log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com. so ee live tho paatu aa offers kuda meer viniyinchukovalandi. And green and pink combination lo undi. Floral buttas all over body and lovely contrast border. Florals, very pretty pink. And this is the pallu. Anta wavy brocade vachindandi, wavy leaves brocade. Blouse, buttas and border. Contrast. Saree price, it's 8,160. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ214. Next saree. Sea green and pink. Floral buttas all over body. Contrast border with curvy diamonds. Pentagon shaped diamonds with florals. Pallu contrast with cross checks and diamonds. Blouse contrast with buttas, parsley buttas in border. Chinna border. Saree pricing and details. It's 8,480. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ361. Next saree. Beautiful. Yeah, now saree pricing and details. It's 10,960. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ234. Next saree. Lovely purple and pink. Beautiful floral buttas highlighted with Meena. Lovely floral vines, contrast border with diamonds and cross kaddi. Leaves, leaf kaddi. And this is the pallu. Complete floral jalandi with diamonds, contrast border. Contrast pallu with borders and floral jal. And blouse contrast plain with border. Saree pricing and details. It's 9,440. Take a screenshot along with the code AB271. Next saree. Dark green with pink combination. All over kaddi floral buttas. Beautiful border contrast. And in the middle we got royal blue also. Floral vines and half curves and cross kaddi. Pallu contrast with half curvy florals. Beautiful lavender, purple. The royal blue andi actually pink lo mix ayye varaku aniki purple shade lo undi. Floral vines borders vachayi. Blouse contrast plain pink color with border. Very beautiful combination. Dark and bright combinations. And the saree pricing and details. Yeah, it's 10,000. Take a screenshot along with the code AB AJ244. Yeah, వచ్చేసింది 8,000 అండి pricing and details. Let's move to the mannequin sarees. Dark maroonish color andi. Maroon and red shade, dark maroon. All over floral buttas, contrast border with floral vines. Pallu, complete a triangular brocade వచ్చిందండి with dotted buttas. Blouse contrast, plain with border. Sari pricing and details, it's 8,160. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ262. And this is from our brand. You can go for such kind of blouses also. Next sari. Orange and pink kattan silk sari. Beautiful floral buttas and cross kaddi and pastel jal pallu border. Contrast. Pallu on the zigzag brocade. Wow. Contrast pallu and contrast blouse with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 10,600 andi. Offer price kosam around 8,000 change untundi. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ359. And next sari, peacock blue, wow, with beautiful magenta pink combination, all over floral buttas, contrast border with floral vines, leaves and zigzag kaddies. Too pretty kada. This is the gorgeous pallu, complete florals, and blouse వచ్చేసి మనకి ఈ కలర్ లో ఉంటుందండి, contrast with border. And sari pricing and details 10,000, offer price 8,000, AJ237 is the code. And this cute pretty blouse is from our brand, R for Rupamani, another brand from our brand Mandar, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designer blouses, dupattas and lehengas, ping us on 733-733-7000. So ippati varaku nenu choinchina beautiful Banarasi sarees, kattan silk sarees. Let's have a quick look. Hope you all liked our today's beautiful pure Banarasi silk kattan sarees. And meek nechina saree ni ventane screenshot tesi maaku WhatsApp cheyandi 733-733-7000 number ki. You can visit our store to feel the fabric, to see more collections. It's in road number 56 Jubilee Hills near Peddamma Temple, and one more store is at road number 10 Banjara Hills. Both are in Hyderabad. And Repeat Live lo malli kalustanu. Until then, bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay healthy.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts, and all notifications for videos and live videos.